Hello and welcome to lesson 67 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word with the GeForce IT Service Academy. In lesson 66, we were able to do conditional formatting that can be able to determine students that come and leave the school. We do the conditional formatting that can help us to determine students that come into the school and go. So in this lesson, we are going to work on the teacher's detail sheet to be able to know the teachers that comes into the system and go. So without wasting much time, let's just dive into this particular lesson. So let's just click on the teachers detail button here, add or check teachers details button here. Let's click on it. Then we go to the teachers detail sheet. Please, if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Make sure that you share this video with your friends and family members. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that when we release a new video, you'll be able to get a notification and watch that particular video without any stress and without any challenge. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's see what we can do with this particular sheet here. So first thing that we need to do is to quickly go to the settings page here. Let's go to the settings sheet here. Let's click on it, because in this lesson we are going to work on designation, we are going to work on qualification, that is academic qualification and professional qualification. So we have to copy this statement here. Let's copy that sentence there. So Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste it here. Then we come to this side to Ctrl V to paste it there. Good. No more in school. No more in school. No more in school. So that is the statement that we are going to use to set the conditional formatting on the teachers detail sheet, so that we can be able to get the teachers that are no longer existing in the school. So Ctrl S to save your work, and don't forget to watch this video from the beginning to the end, so that when you face any challenge, you can be able to reach out to us on the numbers appearing on your screens on WhatsApp. Please don't fail to contact us, or don't fail to WhatsApp us. You can give us a phone call. Don't feel shy to contact us. Don't feel shy to WhatsApp us for the codes. Don't feel shy to WhatsApp us in case you face any challenge in the process of designing or developing your school management system. Alright, so let's quickly go back to the teachers detail sheet. So let's go back to the teachers details sheet here. Okay, so we have the teachers details sheet here. As I said earlier, we are going to use designation, we are going to use professional qualification and academic qualification. That is what we are going to use in this particular lesson. So let's clear this. So no more in school. No more in school. Sorry. No more in school. That is the statement that we are going to use. No more in school. So what we are going to do is that we are going to select the whole table. So let the whole table like this to the last student. To the last student like this. Good. So after selecting the whole table, then we'll go to the home tab. We'll go to the home tab. Then we click on conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. But before we even go for the conditional formatting, the designation is located in column J. It's located in column J, and we can get the details of the first student in row 2. We can get the details of the first student in or on row 2. So let's quickly go to the designation. Then we go to the home tab like this. Then we click on conditional formatting. Then we set new rules. Then we select, or we use a formula to determine which cell to format. Then we bring our equal to sign like this. Then the dollar sign like this. Then the name of the column, column J, like this. Then the roll number is row 2, then we bring another equal to sign, then we bring our inverted commas, then we bring our statement now, no more in school, like that. So we bring the last inverted commas here. So let's come to format, then we come to fill, let's make it red, then the font color, let's make it black again, let's make it black again. So this is how it is going to appear. So let's click on OK. So immediately we click on OK, with the designation being no more in school, we should have this particular column here selected. We should have all the details of this particular student here selected without any challenge or without any stress. So the next thing that we are going to do is to work on the academic qualification and the professional qualifications as well. So let's quickly select the whole table like this. We select the whole table like this, then we come to the home tab here again. Then let's quickly go for the academic qualification. Good. So it's in column K. So now let's go to the home tab like this. Then we come to conditional formatting, assign new rules, use a formula to determine which cell to format. Then as usual, we bring our equal to sign, our dollar sign, then the professional qualification is in column L, then the academic qualification is in column K. So K2, like this. Then we bring our equal to sign, then we bring our inverted commas. So we bring our statement no more in school, like this. Then we bring our last inverted commas like this. So let's go to format, then let's go to font. The font color should be black, then the fill, let's make it red. So we are done with that one too. Let's click on OK. So that is how we assign conditional formatting to the teacher's detail sheet under the designation, under the academic qualification, then under the professional qualification. So let's quickly go to the home tab again. We want to assign a conditional formatting to the professional qualification as well. So we go to the home tab, conditional formatting. The professional qualification is located in column L. So new rule, then we use a formula to determine which cell to format. Then we bring our equal to sign, then the dollar sign, then L2, then we bring our equal to sign again. We bring our inverted commas. So no more in school. Then we bring our last inverted commas like this. Then we come to format, then we come to red. The fill should be red, then the font color should be black. So we are done with that one too, basically. So this is how we set conditional formatting for the teachers details sheet to be able to get the teachers that are no longer in the school. So let's try something here and see what is going to happen. No more in school, like this. So when we hit enter, we should have that particular place selected. We should have all the details of that particular student selected in red. So if you want to delete, then we only select this one, press and hold Control, select the second one, then you right click, then click on clear content. So thank you very much for watching this video. Let's meet in lesson 68, where we are going to do some other settings in our system. So thank you very much. Bye bye.